Very good morning, my dear lovely children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class, you are going to learn new chapter. Okay? So, before going to start this class, let's do an activity. Okay? With this paper. Okay, children? So, today, okay, I'll teach you how to make a butterfly. Okay, with this waste sheet. Okay, children. So you can take any scrap papers also. Color papers are there. No, it is available in stationery shops. Okay, so you can take the scrap papers also. Use it scrap papers to make colorful butterflies. Okay, children. So let's see. So here one white sheet is rule sheet is there. This is waste paper. Okay, and now what you should do, you have to cut in a square type. Okay, so here you can see how to cut in square type. You can see here, fold like this, and extra paper will there, no extra is there, no, just cut this. Okay, so this paper is no need. Okay, so now we will get the square type paper. Okay, children, you can see the square type, all four sides are equal, no, so four sides equal is called square. Okay, children, now dear children, this is square type paper, no. Now what you should do, you have to fold it like this. Okay, fold this paper like this. Okay, children, and press this side. Okay, press it nicely. And what you have to do, you have to cut into two pieces. You have to cut the papers like this. Okay, now keep it this paper aside. Now what you should do, this paper is there, no, keep it like this and press it press it. Okay, so one like this, children, front back like this. Okay, slowly you can do, dear children. Very simple. Okay, and use color papers. Okay, so that you will get more colorful butterflies. Okay, so like that you can fold it. Okay, children, now it is finished, final, good. Okay, now this is final. So now it will come like this. Okay, in zigzag type. Now, oh, this one over. Next, take this, one more sheet is there, no, half sheet is there, no. Now take this paper. Now what you should do, again fold it. Okay, like this, then press it in the middle. Then what you should do, you have to fold like this, so that the butterfly shape will come nicely. Okay, so this side also fold it like this, both side you have to fold it like this. Okay, now children. Okay, now again what you should do, you have to fold it like this, it will come like this. Okay, again from here, this place is there, no, middle place. From here what you should do, you have to fold this like zigzag. Okay, front back like this. Okay, so first one side over, the next side again, this side also you can fold it like this. Okay. Okay, now children. So finally over. This also completed. This sheet also completed. Now what you should do? What you should do? You have to fold. You have to fold like this. So these are wings. Okay, butterfly wings. Okay, how it is very nice, no? So these are what, dear children? Wings, butterfly wings. So next here, what is this? What you should do now, dear children? So here two wings. Okay, fold it like this so that you will get the nice shape. Okay, beautiful shape. Then this also, this one also fold it. Fold like this. Okay, children. Now what you should do? You have to paste like this. This. Okay, both side. Paste it like this. Okay, na? Right. Good. And next what you should do? You have to take one knot, thread and put one knot. Okay, children. So like this. Here also you can paste like this. Okay. Okay. So now you can see the butterfly. Okay. And your butterfly is flying. Okay. So your butterfly is flying. Okay, now see this one. Now it looks very beautiful, no? Flying butterfly. Okay, flying. And you can also try this one. Okay, and use the color papers, scrap papers, and the scrap papers will available on in every shops. Okay, stationery shops. Okay, you will get colorful color papers. Okay, use it for this, for making butterflies. Okay, and make it and make one video and send it in my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp number. Okay, children, you are all very good children. Okay, so here see, jumping, flying. Okay, nice, no? Good, very good children, very good children. All are very good children. Superb. Now let's start textbook lesson. Okay. Now let's start textbook lesson. Okay, EVS book. Open EVS book and open page number 27. Lesson number 6. Name of the lesson is My Neighborhood. My, M-Y, my, N-E-I-G-H, B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D, neighborhood, neighborhood. Okay, neighborhood means our surroundings. Okay, people are living in our surroundings, no? They are called our neighborhood. Okay, so dear children, today we will learn the difficult words, new words. Okay, so next video we will learn the lesson. Okay, so here you can see neighborhood. Neighborhood spelling NEIGHBOURHOOD. Neighborhood. NEIGHBOUR HOOD. Hood. Neighborhood. Okay, children. Next word, market. Market in our surroundings. Okay, in our house, near our house, you can see market, like vegetable markets, fruit markets. Okay, near our house you can see market. So market is very important one. Okay, so MARKET, market. Market, market. Okay, so groceries. GROCERIES, groceries. Groceries means what? Food items such as sugar and flour. Okay, next one, hospital. Hospital is also very important, okay, for us. So here hospital spelling is HOSPITAL. 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 Okay, next park. 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 Next one, post office. POST. Post. OFFICE. Office. POST. Post. OFFICE. Office. SCHOOL. 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 Okay. Next, postman. POST. Post. MAN. Man. Postman. Police station. POLICE. 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 STATION. 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 Police station. Next, postcards. POST. Post. CARDS. Cards. Postcards. Next, post box. POST. Post. BOX. Box. Post box. Then stamps. 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 Okay. Next, teachers. 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 Okay. The next, doctors. DOCTOR. Doctor. Treated. 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 Okay. Nurses. 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 So what is neighborhood? Dear children, tell me, what is neighborhood? The area around our house, the area in our surroundings. Okay, in our house you can see hospital, you can see markets, you can see park. Okay, then police station, post office. Okay, so and so many areas. So these areas are called our neighborhood, dear children. Okay, and people are living near our house, no, in our surrounding people are living, no, they are called our neighbors. Okay, children. So, and dear children, here you can see notes. Okay, so difficult words, new words. Chapter number 6, my neighborhood. Chapter number 6, my neighborhood. New words, neighborhood, market, groceries, park, hospital, post office, school, police station, postman, envelope, teachers, treated, doctor, postcard, stamp. Okay, let's learn the spelling of these words. Neigbourhood, neighborhood. Market, market. Groceries, groceries. Park. Hospital, hospital. Post, OFFICE, post office. SCHOOL, school. POLICE, police. STATION, station. POST, post. MAN, man, postman. ENVELOP, envelope, envelope. TEACHERS, teachers. TREATED, treated. DOCTOR, doctor. POST, post. CARD, card. Postcard. STAMP, stamp. Okay, so learn and practice these word spellings, dear children. Okay, so these all are very important and new words also. Okay children, so learn the spelling of these words and write neatly in your EVS notebook. This is first main. And don't use this place, okay children? Don't use this place, start from first line. Okay, chapter number 6, my neighborhood. Third line, new words, and start writing the words. And dear parents and children, this message is for you. Okay, one important message is there. On account of Sri Krishna Janmashtami, on account of Sri Krishna Janmashtami, we are going to conduct a competition. We already sent the message in WhatsApp. Okay, and the name of the competition is fancy dress competition. Okay, competition will be there on 30th August, this month last day. Okay, is there, and this competition name is fancy dress competition. And so dear children, you are all requested to participate compulsorily. Okay, and dear children, practice speech of 2 minutes, dear children. 2 minutes speech. Start practice today itself, dear children. Okay, and this competition will be conducted through Zoom app also. Okay, and on 30th August it will be there. On 30th August, the Zoom, we will conduct the competition in Zoom app. Okay, and the timings and everything information we will we will inform you later. Okay na children, and use this wonderful opportunity, dear parents and children, use this wonderful opportunity and make it successful. Okay, so all the best. Keep rocking. Okay children, so I hope you are all enjoyed this class. So see you again in the next class, dear children. Stay home, stay safe. Till then, bye dear children. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, dear children.